Arqa is Datapath's AV over IP solution with built-in KVM. It allows operators to securely monitor and control up to 2,000 endpoints from a single workspace in real time. Developed specifically for demanding control room environments and other critical applications, Arqa gives operators easy access to multiple remote sources from a single workspace without sacrificing video quality or round-trip latency. Using Arqa's One Control technology, switching between multiple sources is easy. To switch control, operators simply drag their mouse cursor onto the relevant screen, where One Control instantly and seamlessly switches control to the source on that screen. One Control can support large workstations with up to 16 screens for each operator. In the Arqa environment, operators are able to share, monitor, and control any source available to them on the network, either on their local workstation or onto connected video walls. Sources are easy to find and select via the unobtrusive Arqa menu. A source displayed locally on the operator's workstation can be easily pushed onto the video wall to enable monitoring by the wider team. During a crisis, any source of interest under the control of an operator can be pulled in for local monitoring by another operator, whilst displaying it on the video wall for wider team viewing. Working alongside Datapath's range of video wall controllers, Arqa provides a complete solution for control room connectivity and control. For more information, visit datapath.co.uk.